Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make circle design. We'll start by exploring the foundational geometry that defines a perfect circle, ensuring your designs are always balanced and harmonious. Then, we'll dive into practical steps for creating these shapes using common design software, focusing on precision and ease. You'll discover how simple adjustments can dramatically alter the visual appeal of your circular elements, making your designs truly stand out. This guide will help you achieve professional results with confidence. Achieving geometric precision is crucial for compelling circle designs. Always remember that every point on a perfect circle's circumference is exactly the same distance from its central point. When drawing manually, a physical compass is your best friend, ensuring a consistent radius. In digital environments, specialized circle tools within your software will automatically maintain this critical equidistant property, allowing for flawless shapes every time. Focus on these core principles for visually balanced outcomes. Digital tools make creating perfect circles incredibly straightforward. Most design software features an ellipse tool. Simply hold down the Shift key while dragging to constrain its proportions and create a perfect circle. Utilizing a grid system can further enhance precision, helping you align your circles perfectly within your layout. Don't forget to experiment with different stroke weights, perhaps a 2-point line, and various fill colors to give your circular elements distinct character and visual interest. To truly elevate your circle designs, consider combining multiple circles to form intricate patterns or overlapping elements. Applying subtle gradients, perhaps a 25% opacity, or interesting textures can add significant depth and a tactile feel to your shapes. Think about how your circles interact with the overall composition, perhaps placing key circular elements along the intersections of a rule of thirds grid for optimal balance and visual harmony. These techniques will make your designs more dynamic and engaging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.